we'll guide you through how to create a Notion tutorial. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Notion website. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard where you want to create your tutorial. Click on the plus sign or the New Page button to start a fresh page. Now, give your tutorial a title at the top of the page. Next, you can start by adding a brief introduction to your tutorial. Click on the empty space and begin typing. Notion allows you to format your text using the toolbar that appears when you highlight your text, so make use of headings and bold text to make your tutorial more engaging. To add images or other media, click on the plus sign next to the line where you want to insert them, and select the appropriate option like image or video. You can also add checklists, bullet points, and numbered lists to organize your steps clearly. To create interactive elements like toggles for hints or additional details, simply type a / and select Toggle List from the drop-down menu. This is great for keeping your tutorial concise while still offering extra information. Remember to save your work regularly by clicking Save or simply hitting Ctrl+S on your keyboard. Once you're satisfied with your tutorial, you can share it with others by clicking on the Share button at the top right corner of the page. You can adjust the sharing settings to make it public, or just share it with specific people by entering their email addresses. And that's it. You're ready to create detailed and interactive tutorials in Notion. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.